Hello, what's up, guys? What's up, LTC? Long time no see. So today we are going to discuss about proofs of round Earth. Okay, with Fajria. The other students, I don't know, they are afraid probably to discuss about this material. Let's rock and roll, Fajria. So Fajria, explain what you know about the picture, about the proofs, and I will complete your explanation. Go.
So the first proof of Earth is round is when you go to harbor, you will just look at the
You can focus on the ship that's sailing, and then
ship that's sailing, and it will disappear from the body until the top of the sail.
All right, that's it. So, because the Earth is round, we're gonna have horizon like this, and the ship on the harbor, when they go sailing, is going to disappear from the hull to the top of the sail. So it's different if the Earth is flat. The ship is going to disappear by being smaller, and smaller. But we're still gonna be able to see the entire parts of the ship. But because the Earth is round, so the ship looks disappearing from the bottom to the top, not getting smaller till it disappears. So guys, the Earth is flat, okay? No, round. Next proof, Fajria and Kesia. Kesia, turn your camera on. Go.
No.
Whoa, it's twilight new moon, guys.
It's lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse. The shadow of the Earth, it will be like
the Earth. You can see it's
round, but when we have flat Earth, it will be like a straight
flat Earth.
line.
It's like square line. We never saw that, right? So yeah.
You mean
since when right? The lunar eclipse is like?
Yeah, maybe guys. Maybe, probably I've seen these ones, but yeah, maybe when I'm drunk or in my dream. So it's like that. I think this is clear already, guys. Okay, it's really easy. So this is the shadow or the silhouette of our beautiful Earth. So it looks round. It doesn't look like plate like this. So yeah, the Earth is totally bulat. All right, next. Oh, wait. I give you 2 diamonds if you can explain about this. So Kesia 1 diamond, Fajria, I give Fajria 2 diamonds because she dare showing her face on the camera. Go. Analogy of looking at the tree from far away.
If the Earth is flat, when you look at the tree, you can barely see it.
Flat, both of when you're in the high place or lower place, you can see tree. But when you're in a round Earth, when you're low in the lower
at the same
place,
time,
you cannot see some tree. But when you're high enough, you can see
at the same time.
the tree.
The person that can only see the tree is at the top because, yeah.
Because our field of view is going to be blocked by the curvature of round Earth, the horizon. That's it. Okay, nice. I gave you 2 diamonds already, guys. Okay. Next, what do we have here? Oh, this is really easy. Go. About the stars. The constellations here,
when
okay?
we're in the flat
constellations.
Flat Earth, we can see all of the stars. But when we're in the round Earth, we will see some of the stars, not all of them.
All right, that's it. Yeah, because the Earth is round, for sure our field of view is not going to be so wide or so so large. So we're just gonna be able to see some constellations on the midnight sky, not all of them. While if we have flat Earth, we're gonna be able to see all of them together. And what do we have next? Okay. If you stand in the middle of blah, 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 go.
If you stand in the middle of a wide field,
open area,
you will feel like
field.
you're you feel like you're under a giant dome.
We're under a giant dome. That's why we can say that the Earth is round. But this is still, flat Earthers still able to debate about this. Because according to their opinion, the Earth is not flat, but it's like dome, like this. But half dome. Yeah, dome is like half sphere. All right, let's move to next discussion. Go.
Next proof is if we're in
Sunset and sunrise.
Around Earth, when we're in the round Earth, some people will have sunrise and sunset at the same time, and some people, the other people, will have night.
Day and night.
But when we're in the flat
night,
Earth,
day and night.
but when we're in the flat Earth, everyone will have sunrise and sunset at the same time.
At the same time. All right, next. Oh, what is this?
When we're in the flat Earth, when we place a stick, two sticks in a different place, it will be the same. The shadow will be same strength. But when we're in the round Earth, when we place the stick, even though it have the same place, it will have the different shadow, a different shadow.
That's it.
This is the photo that was taken by an astronaut. This is a proof that Earth
is round. Not triangle. The last one.
If the Earth was flat, we will find dinosaur fossils in the outer space.
Yeah, they are going to be space debris. But yeah, there is no fossil space debris we have on the outer space like that, orbiting the Earth. Okay, good job, Fadria. Nice explanation.
Hi guys, the topic today is round Earth.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
It's about the proof of round Earth or flat. Let's begin. Picture number 1. Go.
The first one.
First,
So
you can go to the harbor.
you can go to the
Look
port
at the sailing
and
ship.
look at the sailing
If
ship.
You can look the harbor
from
to like
bottom
the
to the
ship.
top, or it disappear like sink
But-
to the sea.
Bottom to top.
You can go to the harbor and try to
You can
find
go to the
a
harbor.
sailing ship,
Look at the sailing ship.
and you will see the ship is going to disappear from
bottom
to the top.
to the top, because it's getting blocked by the horizon. The horizon, this one, is the curvature of the earth, lengkungan bumi ini. So the ship is like sinking down the sea. While no, it's not. So the ship is not going to disappear like being smaller, and smaller. It's like sinking down in the sea. While it's actually not. No, it's just getting farther and blocked by the horizon. So the curvature. Sorry, I help you. Lunar eclipse. It's about lunar eclipse. Go. To prove Earth is round.
You can see a lunar eclipse.
You
The
can see the
shadow
lunar
of the Earth
and the
in
shadow is
round.
So which one is real here? A or B?
in the left.
Which one is real here? A or B?
A.
Why B?
A.
Why B is fake or not real?
Because the shadow is flat.
The shadow of
A.
Because the shadow is like alien ship, giant alien ship. This one. All right. And what kind of shadow is this? What kind of shadow?
Shadow of the earth.
That's the shadow of the earth. Can you explain about these pictures one more time?
The
You can see on the lunar eclipse. You can see one of the proofs in lunar eclipse where the shadow of blah 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 is blah blah blah. Try.
can see the lunar eclipse.
Make a clip.
For the moon don't have
The moon. The shadow in the moon
the shadow in the moon
is lengkung, straight or curve?
straight.
Straight.
Oh, straight is
Straight is.
no.
So the shadow of in the moon, straight or curve? The shadow in the moon is curvy, a Bangkok. So it's not straight like this, guys, because that's actually the shadow of Earth. Ini adalah bayangan dari bumi. Berarti bumi itu lengkung. It's curved or round. Next. Whoa. What is this?
Oh,
Go.
if you see
If you
in the
stand
lower ground, you cannot
on
see the
lower
tree,
ground, you
and
you can see the tree, but
in
Can see the
so you
tree.
on high ground you
you
can see the
stand in the high ground, you can see the tree.
You can see the tree.
Or however, the
Example?
sample
When you
You-
are
when
in
you are in the
Abepura,
Ayapura, you cannot see the
no jet.
you can see of Jayapura, even though it's high, or the hill in Jayapura. Alright, so the main point, the object, for example the tree, this tree, is not going to be visible to the person on the lower ground because its sight or field of view is limited by the horizon, dibatasi oleh cakrawala. But if you stand on the place that's high enough, maybe you are going to be able to see object from far away. Mungkin kalian bisa lihat objek yang ada di jauh. For example, kalian berdiri di atas gedung yang sangat tinggi, or on the airplane, atau di what is airplane? Pesawat. Next, rasi bintang is constellation. Go. Constellation.
You can see the constellations at night,
in the
but
night, so
you
you cannot see the
see all of
constellation.
them because they
You
are
cannot see
lit
all of
by
constellation in the
the
sky, in the night sky.
curvature of the earth horizon.
Horizon. So let me open. Hopefully I haven't closed the window. Oh, this is it. So we have on the night sky, di langit pada malam hari, we have lots of constellations, rasi bintang. But unfortunately, we cannot see all of them at once. Sayang sekali kita tidak bisa melihat mereka semua sekaligus. Why? Because the earth is round. Okay, there will be some parts that's gonna be out of our horizon. Ada beberapa bagian yang kita tidak bisa lihat pada malam hari, out of our horizon, because of the curvature of the earth. But kalau bumi itu datar, oh, we're gonna be able to see all of these guys. Kita akan bisa melihat semua rasi bintang ini. Okay, that's it. Mudah-mudahan tidak berawan di bumi yang datar. Alright, the last one. Kalau kalian berdiri di twing,
If
go.
you-
If you stand
If you stand
in Saga Mall, or
in the middle of
in the middle of
if you stand in the middle of
You
If
stand
you
of
stand in the middle of
field, you
large
are
field
like
or wide field,
living in a giant cell.
you are like standing under the giant shell
Mm.
or dome.
on the giant cell.
So
standing,
because the earth is round, if we stand in the open area, kalau kita berdiri di area yang terbuka, wide open area yang luas, kita sama seperti berada di bawah tempurung. We are like under the curved dome or under the curved shell, because the sky is bulat, lengkung. If the earth is flat, it's not gonna look like we are under di bawah tempurung. We are under the shell. We're gonna feel like we are under a flat sky, like this. Jadi kita tidak akan dikelilingi oleh, it's like this. Our side is not gonna be like this, right? Now, Fatur, Ernest, and David, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So first proof, mengunjungi pelabuhan. Go. You
can go to the port.
can go to the port
You can go to the port
Port Helban.
and or harbor.
and look at the sailing ship.
Look at the look at the sailing ship
You can see
Okay, the sailing ship.
Sailing ship.
And it
It
disappear from
disappears or it goes
it
disappearing
from
the
from
bottom
bottom to the top. Bottom to the top.
from the bottom to the top
From bottom.
because of the horizon, the curvature of the earth, karena lengkungan bumi ini guys, seperti dia tenggelam. Alright, second picture, gambar kedua. What's the picture about? Ini gambarnya tentang apa?
This is a lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse, gerhana bulan.
Lunar
Kalau
eclipse.
gerhana matahari apa? What is gerhana matahari?
Solar eclipse.
Solar eclipse. Alright. So what happened with lunar eclipse? Bukti apa? What kind of
The
proof
shadow,
that we can get from
the
this
shadow
one?
of the earth
The shadow of the earth
or curve,
curve, bengkok
curve.
atau
Curve.
lengkung. And it means bumi itu curve atau round, bulat. Next. Wow. The tree. Go.
You can see a tree from
You can what?
You
You can see
fly.
you can see
Up.
you can
Fly.
tree from far away or
From
from
there.
afar. If
A
you
tree
stand
if you stand on lower ground, you cannot see the tree. But
if you stand on the higher ground. If you stand on the lower ground,
If you stand on low
you cannot see
ground,
the
you
tree.
you can
can
see you
Because
you cannot see the tree.
if you stand on the lower ground,
Stand
your
on
field of view,
high ground,
jarak pandang
you
kalian
can see the tree.
dibatasi oleh cakrawala, horizon. Alright, next. I help you. Rasi bintang, constellations.
see constellation.
You can see the
Can see the constellation.
constellation constellation at night.
In the-
night.
Where is the constellation?
Can see the constellations.
You cannot see the. You cannot see all of the constellations. You cannot see all of the constellation because
Because you will not
Earth curvature horizon.
ability operating without
Karena lengkungan
it
Cakrawala bumi.
limited by
Cakrawala
the
lengkungan bumi.
curvature of the earth horizon.
But tapi if the earth is flat, you can see all of them at once. You can see all of these constellations. All of these constellations at once. If the world or if the earth were flat. Were flat. Okay, the last one. Before we play the game. Kalau kalian berdiri, if you stand,
If you stand in the
If
middle
you stand
of
in the middle of a wheat
laser fillet, you are
village, you are the sum as the being
being
under
under against Saul.
salt
if you
or
stand
dumb.
in the middle,
Feel like a
Or
if you stand in the middle of large,
And
wide, open area or large field, wide field,
are
you are like standing under
lying being
tempurung,
under
a
a
shell, a round shell or
under
dome.
against
cell
Saul.
or dumb.
If
Dome.
the earth were flat, you are going to feel you are under a flat sky. Tapi langitnya terlihat seperti tempurung, guys. Karena bumi itu bulat, right? Atau datar? Mungkin datar ya. Tetot. Alright. So 1, 2 for Fature Dewi and 2, 3 for Ernest. So let's play the game. Rebutan semua, guys. Okay, you race. Alright. So next. So what's the picture about? This is next proof that Earth is round. Tell something about this. Go.
Some people in the world
Some people in the world see sunset and the sunrise.
and the sunrise is
Some people in the world
Some people in the world
that live in the different location at the same time
in the world
seeing sunshine, sunset and sunrise,
sunset and the sunrise.
because the earth is round. There will be some part will be dark, will be night and day, and there will be some people at the same time looking at the sunset and the sunrise at the same time. Okay, wait. I don't know who's answering, but you sound good. So I give you 2 and 2. Extra question. So A and B, right? Which part is night? A or B?
A.
A. Right. And C and D. Which part can see sunset? Which part can see sunset? C or D?
C.
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 Okay. Ernest and which part can see sunrise?
D.
D. All right. So, if Earth were this flat, kalau bumi datar seperti ini, okay? What happened when the sun rises? Apa yang terjadi? Ini Amerika, ini Indonesia. Okay? What happened to America and Indonesia when the sun rises? What they see? Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
They are going to see sunrise.
New high
Sunset. Masa sunset? And what happened when the sun is going to set? What happened to America? What they see?
sunrise.
Tetot.
Sunset.
Kalau di bumi datar, mereka akan lihat sama, guys.
Sunset.
Indonesia dan Amerika, semua negara, semua dunia akan lihat sunset semua. Oke? Karena bumi itu bulat, some world, some countries, beberapa negara akan melihat sunset dan sunrise secara bersamaan. Alright, next. Wow, I give you 1 diamond. Sama aku kasih kelompok kalian 1 diamond kalau bisa menjelaskan teori ini. Alright, 1 diamond berarti 10, guys. Go.
What is this?
You will have
from the same
the
object
violet shadow from
same time into
the sun.
Give example
Objective
by
and
using
the sun
stick in Manado and stick in Jayapura.
two different
And the shadow.
locations.
in
Manado,
in
Jayapura.
Same
proportion.
time in two different location. Different location.
The
You
shadow
will
in
have
the
different
Abepura
shadow
in the
from-
mother is different because
Location.
the earth is curved.
Location.
Alright. Nice job, bagus. 1 diamond for your group. All right, next. Oh yeah. So if we have 1 meter stick planted, or we step it on the ground, okay, together at the same time in Manado and Jayapura, we exactly the same object, 1 meter stick, okay, we are going to result different shadow. Maybe in Jayapura the shadow is longer, or in Manado the shadow is shorter, or vice versa atau sebaliknya. Okay, we're gonna result totally different size of shadow from exactly the same object. All right, like in Alexandria and Cyrene or Cyrene, whatever it is. Okay, in this theory, because the earth is flat, that thought round. Okay, next. Okay, explain about this.
You can Google.
You can Google images of the
Earth
by
NASA.
NASA.
Photo of Earth in the NASA
By
photography.
You can Google.
You can
You
Google
can Google.
images of the Earth by
Really?
NASA. By
Alright, let's try. Let's try if we can see round
Images.
Earth. Where is it? NASA. NASA. Foto NASA bumi. Apakah bumi itu bulat? Ladies and gentlemen, is the world is round or flat? Oh, looks like the world is round. All of the pictures. Wow, amazing. Bulat semua, guys. Wah, ada meteor, guys. Oke. That's it.
That's correct.
Paling gampang Google saja foto bumi oleh NASA. What is NASA? Nasi,
Current.
sambal. Nasi sambal. Tetot. NASA is, yeah, even Mr. Marco doesn't know about NASA. National Aerospace, whatever it is. Okay, so where is it? NASA. Wikipedia.
Badan Penerbangan.
Wait a minute, wait. We need to know. Oh, National I have no idea about the pronunciation. Let's ask for it.
And come and minister.
Or translate. Yo, internet, what happened with you? Alright, forget about it. So, it means NASA is not nasi sambal, guys, okay? So, it's National
Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Alright, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. In bahasa Indonesia, Departemen Badan Penerbangan dan Antariksa. That's it. Ya, mungkin Indonesia sedikit lagi punya badan antariksa. Mungkin generasi kalian ketika dewasa nanti, okay? My generation, we are done by TikTok. Okay, next. Alright, the last picture. What can you tell about this animation? Go.
So if world is flat, the comet, the dinosaurs in
You guys are
the
muted.
fossil dinosaurs can
Can be found
and
In-
be found in the
flying in outer
Flying
space.
object.
Flying object. But
Flying.
in fact, the fossil just stay in the earth, right? Ketika meteor
Right.
menyambar, okay, when the meteors hit the earth, the dinosaurs just die in the earth. They are not thrown away from the earth. Alright, that's it, guys. Only Agus got the points. So good job, Agus. Your group won the game. You got 39 points, while group 2 only 29 points. Okay. Clap hands for Agus group. Creak, 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 creak. Nobody cares about your group, Agus. Nobody cares. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's pray to end our meeting according to our religion.